Dinner in 15 minutes. This is a one-pot meal, but not any kind of one-pot meal. We are making pineapple fried rice. I'm talking about fluffy rice, juicy chicken, and the perfect seasoning. I've made this one tweak that turned this dish into a restaurant quality meal. And the best part, I'm using pineapples that the kids refuse to eat because they're too sour. Let's cut this pineapple the Vietnamese way. It's quick, clean, and you get the most out of it. After cutting the top and the bottom of the pineapple, stand it upright. Take your sharpest knife and slice it down the sides following the curve of the fruit. Now take a look at the eyes. They naturally form diagonal spiral lines. And here's the Vietnamese technique. Make a gentle V-shaped cut along those lines to remove whole rows of eyes at once. Next, find the core running straight through the center. It's firm and fibrous. Cut straight down along both sides of the core in clean, long strokes. Now slice the pineapple into strips and then cut those into bite-sized cubes. Perfect for the pineapple fried rice. The key to juicy chicken, a light dusting of cornstarch. I've got thin slices of chicken breast here, marinating in a little sugar and salt. Now the flavor base. It is my go-to fried rice sauce. I call it the 1-2-3 sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of fish sauce. And here's the secret ingredient, 1 cube of Japanese curry. If you've never used this before, it's a staple in Japanese kitchens. Crumble it into the sauce. It won't fully dissolve, but that's totally fine. Get your wok nice and hot, add oil, and then when it starts to smoke, crack an egg. Let it sit until the edges turn golden, then flip and push it to the side. In that same wok, saute some shallots until golden and then move them aside. Add a little bit of oil, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Let it bloom for a few seconds. This wicks up the spice. As soon as it turns fragrant and slightly deeper in color, mix in the shallots back into it to keep it from burning. Now add the chopped broccoli. Once it turns bright green, push it to the side and add the chicken. Let it sear undisturbed until golden on the bottom, then flip and cook on the other side. Now add the cold cooked rice. Day-old rice works best for that fluffy texture. Once the rice grains are fully separated, add the sauce. It'll steam through and warm everything evenly. I like to use 2 spatulas to toss the rice. It keeps the grains light and fluffy. I've got some leftover cooked shrimp here. Since it's already cooked, add it at the end along with the pineapple just to warm it through. You'll know the dish is ready when the shrimp and pineapple are heated through and the rice looks glossy and juicy. It's delicious. The kids are going to love this. To turn a pineapple into a serving bowl, start by cutting it in half lengthwise. Switch to a paring knife and carefully cut around the inside, following the shape of the skin. Make sure to leave behind about a 1/4 inch of a border so that you don't cut into the eyes and you leave them behind. Now score the flesh into cubes and then use a spoon to scoop everything out. Finally, slide your knife underneath the core to remove it.